तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने आलमी बरादरी से मकबूजा कश्मीर में भारतीय मजालिम का नोटिस लेने का मुतालबा किया है। इस्लामाबाद में हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग में वजीर आजम के दौरा मालदीव के हवाले से बात करते हुए तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना था।
On the invitation of President Abdullah Yameen, who personally received him at the airport. The Prime Minister was invited as chief guest for the celebrations marking their 52nd Independence Day, or National Day. We are happy that the two Pakistani diplomatic staff members have been safely recovered by Afghan authorities, apparently as a result of an operation by Afghan security forces. We have conveyed our thanks on behalf of the government and the families of the two officials. Grave human rights violations of innocent and defenseless Kashmiris at the hands of Indian forces in Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir continue. These are unprecedented in recent history. The oppressed Kashmiris in IOK are being brutalized by Indian occupation forces for 7 decades, taking a toll of over 1 million Kashmiris.
मकबूजा कश्मीर में जारी जुल्म और बर्बरियत पर बात करते हुए नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने कहा,
Since 8 July 2016 alone, hundreds of Kashmiris have been mercilessly killed. Over 8,000 are victims of pellet guns, with many hundred youth blinded either completely or partially. 19,000 have been wounded, many with life-threatening injuries. Over 18,000 arrested with their fate remaining unknown. And around 1,000 cases of molestation of Kashmiri women have been reported. Among many other oppressive measures, rape has also been used by Indian forces and RSS as a tool to terrorize Kashmiri women. International community remains deeply concerned how minorities have been terrorized by the proponents of Hindutva, the RSS affiliates, within India as well. Minorities including Muslims, Christians and Dalits have been lynched for trading, consuming or even transporting beef. Dozens of killings of Muslims and other minorities across the length and breadth of India have gone down annals of the history. In the overall context of terrorism in this region, there are hard and undeniable facts which clearly identify the state actors of our eastern neighbor perpetrating and financing terrorism and using their own and other countries' soil against Pakistan. Unable to deter the indigenous movement for self-determination in IOK, spearheaded by Kashmiri youth, India has resorted to tactics of harassing relatives of the Hurriyat leaders and meting out inhuman treatment to the Kashmiri leaders. We have been sensitizing the international community as well as the UN and other relevant quarters on the grave human rights situation in IOK and unending bloodshed of Kashmiris by Indian occupation forces.
हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग में तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने बैनुल-अक़वामी सतह पर पाकिस्तानी खिलाड़ियों की कारकर्दगी को सराहते हुए कहा,
Young Pakistani scholars and sportspersons continue to make the nation proud of their achievements in competitions all over the world. We congratulate Hamza Haroon for receiving Engineer of the Year award in UK, Maha Ayub for bronze medal in International Chemistry Olympiad in Thailand, Fareed Chisti securing first class honours in LLB from King's College, UK, tennis star Essam ul Haq and partner Rajiv on winning US Hall of Fame championship, and Inayatullah for winning silver medal in Asian Cadet Wrestling Championship in Thailand. Like always, Pakistan stands ready to help alleviate its Kashmiri brothers' sufferings in IOK and would continue to raise the grave human rights violation, because you refer to both the elements. So responding to both the elements of your question, that Pakistan remains ready to alleviate the sufferings of our brethren in IOK, and we would also continue to raise the human rights situation, grave human rights situation violations in IOK globally, and insist the international community to force India to stop this bloodshed immediately.
रूफी पर्ल सिटी स्कीम 33 की प्राइम तरीन लोकेशन पर M9 इंटरचेंज के साथ मेमार मोड़ के सामने और मेमन हाउसिंग सोसाइटी के दरमियान
गुज़िश्ता 50 सालों से आपका एतमाद लिए रूफी प्रॉपर्टीज आपके लिए लाए हैं वही मयार, रूफी पर्ल सिटी।
पर्ल सिटी 120, 150, 200 और 240 गज के तैयार बेंगलोस पर मुश्तमिल एक मुकम्मल सिक्योर्ड गेटेड कम्युनिटी लिविंग प्रोजेक्ट रूफी पर्ल सिटी। जदीद तरीन सहूलतों से आरास्ता, पुरसकून और पुरफिजा रिहाइश, जिसमें थीम पार्क, फिटनेस सेंटर, मस्जिद, सोलर पावर बैकअप, आरओ प्लांट के जरिए 24 घंटे मीठा पानी। स्कीम 33 कराची यूनिवर्सिटी, NED यूनिवर्सिटी, PCSIR और गुलशन कनीस फातिमा के करीब तक। रूफी ब्रदर्स की गोल्डन जुबली पर ओवरसीज और साबका तमाम माइनॉरिटीज के लिए 10% का खसूसी डिस्काउंट।
बुकिंग और दीगर तफसीलात के लिए ईस्टलैंड मार्केटिंग UAN 11117834।
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties.
पाकिस्तान में पहली मर्तबा हालात हाजरा के मुख्तसर मगर जामे प्रोग्राम्स, खबरों, तबसरों के अलावा दीगर समाजी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती, मजहबी, तालीमी, सेहत और बच्चों के प्रोग्राम्स सिर्फ TNN TV पर।